Oh wow, that's amazing.
You know, so I'm like,
It's really low.
every night live, I'm like, I'm planted, you know, and I'm just
He's got his landing lights on as well.
Oh, cool.
And I want to, you know, try to keep in tune with the you know, Reese Wine.
So he's gonna.
For all you enthusiasts out there.
It should come in really low.
So it's those little things that you see by watching yourself on video, whether it be a fan takes it or you know, just video yourself. It's again, it's not narcissistic. It's
Wow.
1,000 foot now.
To work on things that
1,000
you
foot.
don't realize
Wow.
while the music's playing.
That is awesome.
It's, and when I say while the music's playing, I say while the band is playing.
Whoa.
You know, we talk a lot about sound.
Hey, boo. Whoa. That was amazing.